Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 9.4 question number 3, question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we'll solve question number 5. Question number 5 here you see is question number 5 is first we'll solve question number 5. Question number 5 is x plus y into 2x plus y 2x plus y plus x plus 2y into x minus y. Let us solve this one. Here it is x into 2x plus y plus y into 2x plus y plus x into x minus y plus 2y into x minus y. That we are getting 2x square plus xy plus 2xy plus y square plus x square minus xy plus 2xy minus 2y square minus 2y square. Now we are getting 2x square plus x square, that is we are getting 2x square plus x square. These are the like terms, plus y square minus 2y square plus y square minus 2y square. These are like terms, plus xy minus xy will cut. Therefore 2xy plus 2xy is 4xy plus 4xy. Therefore we are getting 2x square plus x square is equal to 3x square plus y square minus 2y square is minus y square plus 4xy, and that is the answer of question number 5. We'll solve question number 6. The question number 5 is 3x square minus y square plus 4xy. That is the answer. We'll solve question number 6. Question number 6. Let us solve question number 6. We'll solve question number 6. Question number 6 is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. That we are getting x into x square minus xy plus y square plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. That we are getting x cube minus x square y plus xy square plus y x square minus xy square plus y cube. Here you see x square y. This is minus x square y plus x square y. Xy square minus xy square. Therefore we are getting s cube. We are getting s cube minus y cube, and that is the answer of question number 6. x cube plus y cube, x cube plus y cube. That is answer of question number 6. Now question number 7. Let's solve question number 7. Question number 7 is 5, 6, 7. Question number 7 here you see is 1.5 x minus 4y into 1.5 x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. Therefore, we are getting 1.5 x into 1.5 x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4y into 1.5 x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. Therefore, we are getting 1.5 into 1.5, 1.5 into 1.5. If we multiply this one, 1.5 with 1.5, that is 5 5 is 25, 5 6 7, 5 1 is 1, 5 5 plus 7 12, 2 carry on 2.25, that is 2.25. We are getting 2.25. X into x is x square. 15 into 4, 15 is 60, that is 6 xy plus 1.5 into 3, that is 4.5 x plus 4.5x, 4.5 x minus 1.5 into 4, 60, that is 6 minus 6 xy, this is plus 6 xy, this is minus 6 xy minus 4 4 is 16 y square minus 4 3 is 12y minus 4.5x plus 12y. We are getting plus 6y minus 6y will cut, right? Plus 6y minus 6y will cut. 4. It is plus 4.5x minus 4.5x will cut, right? Plus 12y and minus 12y will cut, right? Therefore, we are getting 2.25 x square minus 16y square minus 16y square. That is answer. Answer is 2.25 x square minus 16y square. That is the answer of question number 7. Now we solve question number 8. Question number 8 here you see is question number 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is question number 8. That is A plus B plus C into A plus B minus C. So we are getting A into A plus B minus C plus B into A plus B minus C plus C into A plus B minus C. Therefore, we are getting A into A square plus AB minus AC plus AB plus B square minus BC plus CA plus BC minus C square. minus c square. Therefore, we can write here as a square plus b square, a square plus b square minus c square, a square plus b square minus c square plus ab into ab plus ab plus ab plus ab plus bc and minus bc will cut, right, plus ca and minus ac will cut, right. Therefore ab plus ab to ab, therefore we are getting a square plus b square minus c square plus 2ab. This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.